Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT for step-by-step math solution. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT for step-by-step math solution, you need to simply go to ChatGPT. Once you simply go to ChatGPT, you need to tap it on and get logged in into your account. Now, if you want to use ChatGPT for step-by-step solution, you need to type the problem clearly. You need to ask for a detailed explanation or upload an image of the problem in the app. After this, you need to use specific prompts like solve this linear equation step by step or explain each algebraic move, and always double check the output. As it's a powerful learning tool but not infallible, you can simply recheck what ChatGPT has given you as an output. So if you want to do this, then you can use your ChatGPT for a step-by-step math solution which can help you be efficient and effective. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.